Ndewo ndị be anyị na kanal Igbo tutorials. Aha m bụ Nwada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Igbo tutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. How have you been? I've been doing great. Before we start in today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe, share, and press notification button. Okay, so in today's lesson we're going to be talking about dance in Igbo culture, the dances we have in the Igbo culture. Before we start, in the Igbo dance, the major instruments that you need to know that you will find in every type of Igbo dance is Eba, Udu, Ogene, Opi. I think Opi is optional. Opi is flute, by the way. It's optional. But Ewa, Ogene, Udu, Oyo, they are compulsory. Ewa is drum, Ogene is gong, Udu. I've forgotten what Udu is called in English. If I find the meaning, I'll be sure to put it. I think it's like a pot or a musical pot or something, but I'll confirm. So this instrument is used in all this Igbo type of dances. And at the end of this video, I'm going to personally show you guys one of these types of dances. Like, I'll dance it. So if you'd like to see it, keep watching, okay? So the first we have here on the list is the Atilogo dance. Atilogo dance. And this literally means in English, is this magic? Yes, Atilogo. Is this magic? When you see the dance, unfortunately, I don't know how to do it, and it involves more than one person to do it. When you see the dance itself, you be asking yourself too, is this magic? So it's not a surprise that it's named Is This Magic, Atilogo dance, okay? So this kind of dance involves a lot of acrobatics, jumps, flips, swinging from one place to the other, and it's done by groups. You can't do this dance alone. So that is the characteristics of the Atilogo dance. Jumps, flips, but they're not just ordinary jumps and flips. They are skilled and talented jumps and flips, and they are rehearsed and rehearsed and rehearsed till it's perfected. If not, it can become very dangerous to the performers of the dance, okay? The next one I have here on the list is the Ikpirikpi Ogo dance. Ikpirikpi Ogo. In the olden days, this dance is used to welcome soldiers that went to war or battle and won, and they're back. It is used to welcome the soldiers, okay? But in the modern times now, it's still danced, but now it's used to show strength, okay? It's used to show strength in the modern time, since nobody goes to war these days, and it originated from the Arochukwu people from Abia State, Nigeria. Okay, the next I have here on the list is the Mau dance, which is the dance of the masquerade, okay? So Mau is believed to be gods or messengers from the gods who are sent to judge or deliver messages to powerful people. So it is also believed that the Mau, which is a spirit, Mau is spirit, possesses the body of whoever puts it on and delivered its message through that person. Okay, so it's the Mang, which is mostly performed by men. Okay, and all these three dances that I've listed out, the Atilogo, the Ibribiog, and the Mang, is mostly performed by men. No women are allowed. Okay, but this fourth one I'm going to mention is performed by young ladies. The Nkwa Agbọghọ. Nkwa Agbọghọ. So this dance is done by young maidens who are ready for marriage. It is done by them because that is the way that young men in the olden days, and in now some people still observe this dance. It's a way to showcase young men which young lady is ripe and ready for marriage. Okay, so the characteristics of this dance involves the movement of the chest and the waist and the hips. Okay, so I'm going to show you this dance by the end of this video. So the next dance we have on my list is the Omorongwa or Abacha Ekurungwa. Omorongwa, nwa is a child, or Abacha Ekurungwa, or how do you say Abacha Ekurungwa in English? The dance whereby when you are done dancing, you go and carry your child. So this beautiful dance is performed mostly by married women and new mothers. Okay, so it's a dance that is done especially where they are coming to present a child that has been born. Okay, this dance gives the women opportunity. They also take it as an opportunity to lose after birth weight, because these dance steps, it takes weeks and weeks to rehearse before the main event takes place. So that is why they take it as an opportunity to lose post-birth, postnatal child weight. Okay, and it involves mostly the movement of the waist again. Okay, so that is it for today's lesson in Igbo tutorials. Okay, I hope that you were able to get one or two facts about these dances. There are many other dances, but these are the main ones. Okay, they are not the only ones, but they are the main ones. So if you think that there are other facts that I forgot about these dances, please comment in the comment section below. I'm always happy and open to learn about these other new facts. That is for today's lesson. Don't forget, subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification button. Till next time, come and send the banging.